Good morning, folks. Let's make some money today. This is my morning prep for the 13th of February. As always, we start with the higher time frame, work our way down. Nothing really has changed on the higher time frame. We're kind of just stuck in this range. Got the range high at 6105 and mid at 5990. So just kind of chopping around. We have a massive balance zone forming. With the high at basically 6100 and the low at 6047. So until we break out one way, either to the upside or to the downside, we're most likely to continue just chopping in between these two. So longs at the bottom, shorts at the top are more secure. And then we have some minor references in the middle that I'm keeping track of. Moving to a more zoomed in view, we are back inside of prior day value, inside this bigger balance zone. To the upside, I want to see us get over 6082, and then from there, the target would be 6100 with a potential slowdown, reversal, whatever you want to call it, at 6090 potentially. Under 6078, that opens the door for more downside, targeting yesterday's value low at 6051, and then the big balance low at 6047. If we get below 6047, that opens the door for more significant downside move. And then if we hold above 6100 or 6105, call it, that opens the door for more upside, targeting this upper CVA up here. Taking a look at gamma, exposure is pretty light today. Have a local peak at 6140. That's coming from this, I'll show you in a second, positive strike. Pretty neutral gamma below basically 6110. So that could open the door for wider price action, bigger moves. 6140 should be some type of resistance today, if not the top. Also potentially 6100. And that's based on this massive strike right here. Customers are short calls at 6100. And then we have another big one at 6050. So expecting price to just trade in between these two. As always, these update throughout the day, so things could change. If we get above 6100, we could just have like a slow drift higher. And then below 6050, kind of the same thing. We have a few positive nodes that could, slow us down, but compared to these two, they're not really that significant. But we'll see. Good luck. Trade safe.